next important concept in economics is economic problems. Economic problems. Right. Due to scarcity, each and every economy is facing main three basic economic problems. Basic economic problems. All these problems arises due to scarcity. Scarcity means we have already discussed resources are not sufficient. Available resources not sufficient to fulfill human needs and wants. That is scarcity. Due to scarcity, these problems arises. The first problem is what to produce. What to produce in which quantities? What to produce in which quantities? That means resources have alternative usages. Then humans, they are expecting different goods and services to fulfill their requirements. Then economy is facing using this limited resources, how we can allocate these resources to produce different products. As an example, raw rubber, we can produce tires, we can produce slippers, we can produce hand gloves, many. And we can produce rubber bushes, we can produce many. But which product we are going to produce in which quantities, that is the using this limited resources, scarce resources. Then that is the first problem that economy is facing. What to produce in which quantities. Second is how to produce. How to produce? How to produce means what is the technology we are using. Now, when we are in the production, we can use many. We have main two production methods. One is labor incentive, other one is capital incentive. Capital incentive means we are using more technology, more machineries for production, and we are using very less human, the manpower. And in labor incentive, labor is more, machineries are low. Then we have to use any technology to produce these goods and services. Then how to produce is the second. What is the technology we are going to use? What is the production method we are going to use? Labor incentive or capital incentive, right? That is the second problem any economy is facing. What to produce, the first. Second is how to produce. Third is to whom to produce. To whom to produce? To whom to produce? This is a problem with distribution in one hand. Now, people, the human being, they have different desires, needs and wants that is vary from one to another. Vary from one to another. As an example thing, I am satisfied with limited number of needs and wants, desires, and somebody else's the consumption pattern is too different. They are addicted to use luxurious goods, but some people they are not. But different people they are using different types of goods and services to satisfy their needs and wants, satisfy their desires. They have different desires. Then, in which to whom to produce mean out of these requirements, which set of people, which set of consumers we are going to satisfy. In one hand, we can say this what to produce and to whom to produce, both are connected. There's a relationship. As an example, think the food, right? Food. Set of people they are satisfied with bread. Another set of people they are satisfied with rice. Then to whom to produce mean which desire we are going to fulfill, or how we are allocating this. Then again this and this connected. That means to whom to produce, the economic problem, the whom to produce and what to produce in which quantities, that is connected. When we are going to solve this, then we have to, as an example, the economy has to decide, are we going to satisfy with people who are consuming rice or people who are consuming bread. Then how we are allocating resources, more into rice, lower into bread, or more into bread, lower into rice. Just like that is to be decide. Then these two, what to produce and to whom to produce, are combined, connected. Right. These are main economic problems any economy that faces. What to produce, how to produce and to whom to produce.